Hi, everybody at rantfinance.com, and welcome to another version of Dino's Tech Picks. Tonight is Sunday, May 13th, about 10 p.m. Eastern. Happy Mother's Day to all, and hope all the moms out there had a great day. And looking at the minis again, um, last week was kind of interesting. We pretty much last Sunday is when we had this great big gap down, and then for the rest of the week we just chopped in and out of this range here. As I've mentioned a couple of times, we are below this neckline, which I think bulls need to be very concerned with and aware of. I mean, we got this big head and shoulders pattern. We got a bear flag here consolidating below support. This is again a very big bearish pattern. It's got a target at 1260, 1276.75, and it's just definitely something to keep an eye on. Panning in on Friday morning, we got a little bit of a squeeze that some of the folks here at Rant Finance were calling for on Friday. But the interesting thing, in my opinion, is boy, where did that squeeze stop? Doink. Right here, right on that neckline. And what did we do the rest of the day? Bears pounced and we just drifted the whole rest of the day. Then we had a pretty big gap down here to open futures at 6 o'clock tonight, and kind of bounced a little bit, and now we're kind of drifting. I'm not quite sure what we got going on here, but um, in any case, I was watching that on Friday, and I've been kind of saying all week. I think if you're looking to go short, boy, that's the spot here. Have a tight stop beyond. There's a couple horizontal supports here. I didn't extend these lines here, but um, these are minis and they can run sloppy. There can be some overshoots, just like this was on Monday during regular trading hours. But it's just, we're in this range, so if you want to be short, that's a good spot to short. If you want to be long, at the bottom of this range is a good spot to be long. And just have your stops, whether mental or physical, slightly below these lines, and watch the price action to determine whether you need to stop out or not. But going into next week, it's kind of hard to say what's going to happen. We had some pretty wild patterns here throughout the week, and none of them really panned out, except for the larger patterns. Those are still intact. We could kind of bounce around in this trading range again. Kind of hard to say right now. It's OPEX, so that usually leads to a choppy week. So kind of hard to say. I'm on the sidelines right now. Um, Again, if anything, if I'm going to lean one way, I'm leaning bearish just because of this pattern and how we're trading below this neckline. And until that changes, I'm going to respect that pattern, and I'm going to be very careful from the bullish side, and from the bearish side as well. But definitely lean bearish at this point. Um, so we'll keep an eye on this tonight, and see if something breaks one way or another that will give us some clues into trading this coming OPEX week. And check back in the morning, and I'll post an update, and we'll go from there. Thanks.